There's a transformation going on now in infrastructure which is used in data centers. The server or the compute infrastructure is being fundamentally changed by the use of virtualization technology from VMware or Microsoft or Citrix, creating compute pools that applications can run in, much more flexible. The network infrastructure is being transformed by the convergence of fiber channel technology and Ethernet, and new standards for fiber channel over Ethernet, assuring that the future infrastructure will be an enhanced 10 gigabit Ethernet. And the storage infrastructure is fundamentally changing in the data center, driven by the economic forces that are causing people to look to get far more efficiency out of their storage. How do I store more data in less spindles? And also increasingly looking to scale out technologies to allow a more flexible, simpler growth of their overall storage capacity. But one thing that is causing companies to do is to look very closely at all of their infrastructure and figure out how can I take cost out of my operating environment? How can I change equipment that will be lower cost to operate in the future than what I have today? NetApp has been pursuing a green IT agenda in a number of different ways. For our customers and the products that we sell our customers, simply using less disks to store the same amount of data means less disks, less power, less space, and a more power and green efficient environment. But inside NetApp, we also have a number of initiatives. We're focused on recycling programs around the world. From a hazardous materials standpoint in manufacturing, we're compliant with all of the regulations around disposal of hazardous materials. So virtualization as a whole is a technology which can be used to consolidate a large number of servers or storage devices into a smaller number. For server virtualization, many customers may go from 200 individual servers, each drawing 200 watts of power, to 10 or 12 servers running virtual machines. So that could be a 90% reduction in the power consumption for their server plant. Also a 90% reduction in space. So the core of NetApp's software technology is called Data on Tap, and that's the operating system that runs in our storage systems. We currently have a version of Data on Tap that runs for the enterprise called Data on Tap 7G. Then we have one that runs as a scale-out model for high-performance computing customers who really need the maximum amount of bandwidth available to a particular data set. Our next major step forward in this area is Data on Tap 8, which will be out in the middle of 2009, where we'll bring together the scale-out capabilities of ONTAP GX with the enterprise capabilities of ONTAP 7G, giving customers a more integrated solution for both scale-out and enterprise solutions.